All right, let's talk about the dream meal for any food lover. Slow-cooked BBQ ribs, creamy mashed potatoes, and, to finish it all off, a warm apple cobbler. I mean, come on, is there anything better? So, first things first, those ribs. I'm talking fall off the bone, tender, smoky, and lacquered in that sticky sweet BBQ sauce. The secret? Low and slow. Hit your grill or oven at a nice 275 degrees. Let those ribs hang out for a few hours, and baste them with that sauce until they shine. The temptation to dig in early is real, but trust me, patience pays off. Now, while those ribs are working their magic, let's whip up some mashed potatoes. I like mine extra creamy, so I use plenty of butter, a splash of cream, and a pinch of garlic powder. Mash them till they're silky smooth and you're basically halfway to food heaven. But wait, I'm not done yet. For dessert, it's all about that apple cobbler. Tart apples, cinnamon, and a crumbly golden topping. Throw it in the oven right before you sit down to eat, and by the time you're licking BBQ sauce off your fingers, the whole place smells like autumn. So picture this: a perfect plate of ribs, a heaping scoop of mashed potatoes, and a bubbling apple cobbler waiting in the wings. That, my friends, is the ultimate comfort food combo. Go ahead, treat yourself. You've earned it.